Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting the channel, and if you are new to the channel, please do like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because there's more to where this came from. So today I'm analyzing gold AUDUSD and NZD USD. So please pay careful attention guys. I won't analyze from scratch. I will just continue to these analysis that I've already made here. The point of me trying to I don't know how to put this, but I am trying to save time. Pretty much I'm trying to save time because I realized in my previous videos I've been doing the same thing over and over again, so I don't want to start from scratch. I rather continue to where I did in the past. So weekly time frame on gold, this is how it looks like pretty much. So I believe we can all agree that this is a bearish channel because you have a first touch, second touch and a third touch. It's not clear on the weekly time frame, but on the daily time frame you will see everything clearer. So this is for those who trade gold. I believe you are all aware of this channel right here. So for those who don't know who are wondering actually why I drew this trend line here, so you have a first touch right there, second touch, and you know, if you've read the books about trend line trading strategy, I believe they do mention that when you draw a trend line, you draw it from the first touch and the second touch. So it's highly impossible for you to draw a trend line from the first touch. I mean, how do you know whether the market is going to move like that or like that? So you wait for the first touch and the second touch, and then you start to draw it, and then you enter on the third touch, which is where I'm currently at right here, the third touch. As you can see, I am waiting for a sell. When the market opens, actually I am already in the sell. I will show you how I entered on a 15 minutes time frame. And again, we do have a supporting trend line also here. First touch, second touch, third touch, and you can see guys, this is very precise. This is what I see on a daily time frame pretty much. And also I do have this minor trend line that I drew here. If you pay close attention, we have a first touch. Okay, let me try to show it on a smaller time frame, or rather let me zoom in on a smaller time frame. So this is how it is. No, not that. I was trying something else. Okay, let me do like this. This trend line, so first touch here, second touch, and this looks like the third touch, which also looks like a break, the break of the trend line, and now a retest. So we have quite confluences at that level to say gold could be going bearish. So you need to pay careful attention. Do not leave that uncatered for. Also notice that gold might be dropping from there, because if you also pay close attention, I have a zone that I drew here. This zone is pretty much also precise. First touch, second touch, touch right there, a touch, touches, and now a touch, right? So you don't want to just turn a blind eye on this one. I believe it's a setup that is already formed and it's ready for a sell, but it won't just go straight for a sell. Obviously the market is going to stall a bit because it's Monday tomorrow. It might stall for Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Then we can be expecting a big move. So this is gold overall. I am seeing on gold, I am confident to say we should be looking for short positions on gold on Monday, right? This is a smaller time frame, short positions on gold. So for those, I already entered this trade, by the way, on a 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you where I entered. It was a break and a retest kind of setup. Where is it? Yeah, this is it guys. So this was a support broken, and then it retested. So I entered here for a sell. Obviously my target is the same as this one. So the market went into profits, came back up, profits, and it started ranging. So I did, when I noticed that the market is doing this, in most times when the market ranges, it's just trying to tell you that there is about to be a big move is coming, so wait on it. Do not try to be greedy and trade the ranging market or close and open. Wait for the market to actually play out, right? I think we're done with gold, so let me go to AUDUSD. So this is AUDUSD. By the way, go to a weekly time frame so you can also get to see the overall thing. In the weekly time frame, I saw this as my potential trend line. I don't know, guys. I might be right, I might be wrong. Nobody, no strategy, by the way, is always 100% accurate. So that's my first touch, second touch, and the third touch, but it's not really clean. Also here we have a first touch and a second touch and a third touch right here. So for me, for the strategy that I use, this is how I like to draw my trend lines. And also you can see I have zones drawn clean in the charts. These are my zones. I drew them from the touch, resistance, support, resistance, and again resisted here. So the market is looking to continue to the downside in my perspective, according to the analysis. Support, almost support, looks like it is a support. Support right here, support again, resistance, supported. So pretty much for me, this is these actually are zones that I see on AUDUSD. So going to a smaller time frame, on a daily, you will see that we had a trend line, right? We had a trend line that looked something like this. So I drew it from the first touch here, a second touch, and third touch. So on the third touch, I did enter a buy, I remember, and I closed right about there because I saw there was a resistance. So immediately as I closed, the market then dropped. When it dropped, I noticed that the market has actually dropped below the trend line. It gave a retest. I entered again for a sell, which I'm currently holding. I'm currently holding that sell. Let me try to do like this. So I entered a sell right here because this looked like a break and a retest to me. And also I remember I saw a head and shoulder pattern, so it looked like this was a shoulder. It looked like this was a left shoulder and this was a right shoulder. I'm trying to draw clean. Right shoulder, and of course that was the head right there. So I had about 2 confirmations and I entered. Guys, you get what I'm trying to do here. Let me just delete these things. Yeah, head and shoulder pattern. I saw that I entered for a sell. It did go into profits and started going up, and then the market dropped. So currently I'm holding that position. So for those of you who haven't entered, maybe you've missed this trade. Really, you haven't missed it because the market gave a support here and broke it. So we should be waiting for a retest to that area to form a resistance, and then we can take sell short position. So going to NZD/USD pretty much looks like AUDUSD. So the bonus tip that I can give you in why I'm analyzing AUDUSD, NZD/USD, and gold all together is because they have a correlation, a close correlation. By the way, if you pay close attention to this chart, the AUDUSD, look at how similar this chart is with AUDUSD. Look, pay close attention. Look at this. We have a support which was broken, forming resistance, right? And now look at NZD/USD. Pretty much the same thing. Obviously the market will not be as precise because these are different pairs, but they actually, when one moves, another one also gets affected. So you see there was a support broken. So weekly time frame, just to get an overall perspective of this market. So I saw this as my trend line. It's not yet confirmed. It's the first touch, second touch, so I'm really gonna wait for a third touch somewhere around here. And yeah, I don't think I really need to highlight why I drew these zones. You can see why I drew these zones. If you don't see them, go to your charts and try to check them. I'm trying to save time. This is the whole idea behind why I didn't want to analyze the market from scratch. So daily time frame, On a daily time frame, I saw that the market formed a structure here. This is a structure, and then the market just broke through the structure. I'm waiting now for a retest, and I'm going to continue for sales, because for me this was my okay, let me do like this. This was my low, and now that my low has been broken, I'm waiting that to enter for a sell position for a lower low, going for a lower low, guys. So this is pretty much what I see in the markets for the week of next week. So guys, stay tuned for more videos. I'll be posting another video tomorrow and the day after. I'll try to be as consistent as I can get. So yeah, thank you for watching up to this far, guys. Please like the video, share if you can, turn on the notification bell so as you can be notified next time when I post other videos. Yeah, that's pretty much what, yeah, that's just it, guys. Thank you for watching.